snow pea, and this is the meat that will go in it.
So
Thin
far,
soy sauce. What is this called?
Thin soy sauce.
Thin soy sauce.
So you put thin soy sauce, black soy sauce, black pepper, penua, canoa, and oyster sauce.
Black soy sauce.
And thin soy sauce. Okay.
MSG.
And then you mush them together. Okay.
Oyster sauce.
Good job, B. Good job. You're doing real good.
There.
She's the sound effects in the back.
Yes.
And then this is chicken flavor.
It's called canoa, if anybody knows.
Chicken flavor.
Chicken flavor, but in our language is canoa. But in our language.
I like to mix this inside the meat before you stir fry it because it'll give it more flavor.
That's pork.
Okay.
So you cut the pork up and then you chop it up.
Don't buy the one that's already grind.
Okay, so you have to chop it up
So you
yourself.
need
So we got the pork from there, and then she just got the meat and chopped it up.
And this will give it. It'll taste good. Just mush it.
Snow peas right here, ready to go.
Awesome.
Garlic.
Oh, 4 cloves of garlic.
So there's 3 right there, and she's gonna add 1 more. She's just mashing it.
Yes. See, look, I'm a help, right? I help all the
I'm
time,
gonna
right?
edit all your stuff up.
What? That's the fun part. That's why people watch, you know what I'm saying? Watch this, watch that. People don't just want to watch cooking these days, right? If you people out there hear me, let me hear you say, hey.
Tell them to comment down below.
Comment down below if you like us talking while we're cooking.
And tell them to subscribe to my channel.
And subscribe to this channel, and you'll see more of Funny Me.
That's the onion.
She
that's
chops
the garlic.
like the professional, and she's from Fresno. So what is that you put in there?
Sugar.
Okay, you put a little sugar more, okay?
That's it. And then just mush it up.
Okay, mush it up. So you add like a pinch of sugar. 2 pinch? Okay.
That's it. Then you fill the pot. Okay. We're gonna add this olive oil. Okay. Garlicky. Put in there. You have the little sizzle. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit brown. And you don't want your garlic to burn because it's bitter when it burns. So this is when it's ready to be added.
Let me see how brown it is. Okay, so you don't want to get too brown.
That's a light brown. About done. Just give it maybe 2 more minutes.
Okay, then the lid's gonna go back on now.
Yep.
We just took the lid off, and then we went and stirred for a.
Let's give it 2 more minutes. I want it a little bit brown, like this brown right here.
Okay. So she wants it charred
A little bit.
the lid's gonna go back on for another 2 minutes.
There you go.
Just took the lids off.
This is perfect.
So I'm
Now I'm gonna add.
So this is what you want.
Yes. Now I'm gonna add the veggie in there. Veggie goes in.
I'm going to subscribe to your videos because I want to learn how to cook that. And, oh my God, I'm going to cook the bomb food.
Put all of it in because all this is gonna melt down.
Chicken soup base.
A little MSG doesn't hurt.
And then half teaspoon
Like
of
that.
MSG.
Right there.
Sit.
A little bit of pepper,
Okay, and go ahead and crack some pepper.
salt.
Go ahead and crack some salt in there.
A little bit, okay. Thin soy sauce.
Thin soy sauce. So we see the label real quick. So it says thin soy sauce on the back. Yep, there you go. That's gonna be to your taste. But you want to start off with
Black.
1 teaspoon. So this one is gonna be called black soy sauce. Could add to your taste.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. So this is gonna be about 1 tablespoon. the Panda brand. And then you could add to your taste.
And a pinch of sugar.
A pinch of sugar.
When I say a pinch, I mean like, that's it.
There you go.
That's it. We're gonna put the lids back on.
The lid's gonna go back on, and then we're gonna come back when it's done. We're gonna cover it for a minute, and then we're gonna come back and open it and toss it around.
Okay, now it's ready. Open this up. Ooh. We're gonna toss it like that.
So the juice from the meat.
The juice from the meat, the juice from the vegetable.
Ooh.
See how they're cooking nicely?
Yeah.
And then at this point, you just want to turn off your stove. Off.
Oh.
And you
Okay.
just want the heat to cook because you don't want it to be too mushy. Just stir this around like that.
Yeah.
Voila.
There you
Snow-
go.
Minced pork with snow pea leaf.
All right.
That's the recipe for this one.